Welcome back. It's Zachariah with Lab. Today, we shall be talking about default setting. As you can see here, when you set your default setting, you can come to edit, and this button will come to default setting. That is the first option. If you cannot locate that immediately on your system, now the center you can just edit and you come to this list. Default setting. This is where you are going to set everything you want to release up here. You have the camera here. So general, you have cabinet here. You have general cabinet. If you want to use that general cabinet, you can do the settings here. But all these things is not required for the original base cabinet. If you want to have it, you see how it looks like. You can increase the height here. Let's say I want to choose 40. You see, it's gonna affect it. And the height, the width, and the depth, everything is there. Plus button. Let's say what this the plus button, what it actually means now. If you want to add a kind of if you want it to be not touching the ground, let's say you want it to flow, this is where it's gonna set it. It is necessary that you do that. You can come and set maybe 10 inches. It's going to be 10 inches away from the floor. So it is not going to reflect here until when you add or you put it on your plant. So it's not going to be on the floor. It's going to be 10 feet above the floor. So this is the we have the layer here. Doesn't necessary that the front this is how the front of the cabinet is going to appear. So you set kind of the kind of you see this is the front end. If you want to have something different, you can come and click here. So it's going to take you to the library. You have different, you can choose different look out. Okay, let's see on the choose. Okay, so that see all that's affected. So the plain draw, the plain draw cabinet drawer. See, can you see what I mean by the drawer? See, the other one. You see this? That's many. You see that? That's it. That's the door side, and you have the drawer side. This one is the drawer top. The downward is your door side. So you can set that if you item number. If you want it to have number on your plan, you can choose. So whenever you put it on the plan, the number is gonna appear. This side, this fixed side is when you place it on your plan. How it's going to be appearing. We have solid. If you choose solid, you can come and choose color here. Sorry, before now these are going to appear on the floor. If you can come and choose, if you choose this is how it's going to appear on the floor. You can come and choose. I have the one. So we're going to be talking about this fill time. This time is because most of things here needs fill time. So cross hash. Can you see? This is how it's going to appear. Let's choose a brief, whatever you choose. That's how it's going to be appearing on your floor plan. Sidebar, all this material, the kind of material is a glass glass. If I'm changing this thing, if you actually be changing the texture of data, you see glass. You see how the glass appears here. I can change it entirely. The main, the divide, can you see the divider we set? Glass and the name, so we can change every other thing that way. Now whether you have it, you want to have a you see this place draw and choose as inches. You want the standard one, you can see the inches now. And then it's all this one is not as for free. But if you want to do the interior decoration, that's when you need things much, much. The mountains. So on to the next spread. So that's it. We have full eye cabinet. This is a wardrobe. This is a wardrobe of your house. This is ice. I think that's standard. You want to increase the width. The default one, the one is going to be appearing for you every time you choose it. See that like this. You can come and start the front as we have done for the like drawer the other time. So you can come here and choose how this is how it's gonna appear. You can see that. And it looks somehow hard. You just come and choose something else. See that, okay? The panel, okay, that's what you're gonna set there. Add the material as you have done for the same time, it's the same thing with what you have done for the others. So one cabinet, the one you have this, you use this one in the kitchen. If you want to set it, you can do that. Let me just talking about cabinet or couch. It's not necessary to come here. I can't remember what is out that I think this is standard. It's not necessary. Dimension. This manual dimension is very important. Very important, I think. This is seriously setup. You can see the word setup. This number height you are seeing here, this is how your dimension, this is the size, how big your dimension is going to be. This is the number height. That's the major thing here. So let me increase the size of that dimension to let's say 10. It's going to be very big. Some people used to like it to big dimension. I want to see what the size, the dimension of this thing. But this is very well. Extension, not necessary. Primary format, we used to have 2 dimension. If I want you want to indicate meter and feet inches. You can put you can use this as meter. Secondary format. You say it includes secondary format. You now come and choose feet and inches for this one. So if you choose, it's gonna be appearing on your plan. The front is out, the dimension to be shown. Dimension is your dimension. Arrow. These are using locate your objects. This one I'm still going to talk about this one later. So I will be talking about that later in my other video. You can subscribe to watch my other video. Thank you.